DataPipe is a global mission-critical IT services company. We have data centers all around the world: New York, London, Hong Kong, Shanghai, Silicon Valley, and we're growing beyond that. We have lots of customers in the pharmaceutical business, financial services, technology, etc. One of the main things we do is help companies do business on the internet. So we host large server farms for companies, big databases, protect their data, secure that data, and help them deliver it worldwide. Our customers enjoy the ability to have multiple options with DataPipe because sometimes their IT problems are simple and a cookie cutter approach could work, but other times they're very complex. A cookie cutter solution might get you halfway there, but a custom solution with DataPipe allows you to have complete certainty that your data is being secured. Our whole philosophy towards clients is an open approach with multiple options. And only Citrix Cloud Platform has that neutral approach. Cloud Platform is that glue that sits between DataPipe, our data centers, our servers, and the customers' networks, and allows us to orchestrate that for them.
GLG is a full-service advertising agency. DataPipe provides us with a solved problem as far as data centers are concerned. We excel at providing a high level of creative services with an unbelievably robust technology offering that doesn't often come in the advertising space. Having the capabilities to develop robust technology, host robust technology, has been a huge competitive advantage for us. DataPipe contributes greatly to that competitive advantage. We can have the right mix of fixed hardware and virtual hardware and software so that we can be as flexible as possible. We recently had a national advertising campaign for one of our clients go live. We were able to hold tens of thousands of concurrent connections to that solution for a straight 48 hours, and we knew that the solution was in good shape all throughout because we have such extensive monitoring on it. Having a rock-solid hosting partner has completely expanded our creative opportunities.
Our journey with Citrix started with NetScaler. We are using XenApp and XenDesktop to allow our mobile workforce to work better. And we've been using GoToMeeting to collaborate with our employees all around the world. And some of the new features of GoToMeeting, like HD Faces, can only make that collaboration better. What we've done with our new portals and products that we've built with Citrix technology, CloudStack in particular, is we've taken that knowledge, we've turned it into product offerings, and we've allowed our customers to access the same tools, the same suite of software that our own employees have to deploy infrastructure. Cloud computing is going to continue to be pervasive. I see the as-a-service monikers. You talk about infrastructure as a service, software as a service. I think that's just going to melt away. It's just infrastructure, software, and platform, and it's all in the cloud.